Can someone tell me why? Every time I fall in love, it seems to be at the wrong time. You walked into my life, and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up, and there she was, in your arms all
Sa gate.
Ay, buka. Nagpo-pro. Biscuit.
stuff. You got someone, no signs of breaking up. Why does my heart attract, overreact, wanting someone that I can't have, can't take it back? This feeling, damn yeah. Why do you gotta be taken? You don't know how long I've been. For someone like you, now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? It's really no surprise that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different because you and me have such a.
Pahiram ako man. Dyan nila.
Good vibe, good vibe. But when she calls you up, it's all you look at like. I wish that there was us, and I'm trying.
Ganda nung ano nila guys, oh. Merong beddings. Tapos may ganun.
Lag mo yan.
Ayan, merong hugasan, hand washing area, trash can, yung tissue, ayan, dalawa. Tapos may mga pang breast, ano to yung mga pang breastfeeding na room.
Saka doon,
Oh.